Welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to understand about recovery days off. So in Jainam Software, you can configure holidays and the recovery days off like Sunday or Saturday so that the installments will not be created on those days. This feature is very useful if you follow digital collection because in some countries the collection is not done on Sundays or Saturdays. So you can use this feature to configure the bank holidays and bank weekends so that a payment will not be scheduled automatically for those days. So let's get started. I'm going to explain few settings which will help us to create the loan repayment schedule. So first is in HR management holiday list. Here we can create list of bank holidays or holidays where no recovery is going to happen. I have created one holiday here for testing purpose, that is 20th May. In addition to this, we need to do couple of other settings in master setup settings, and here I have created 3 recovery settings. So one is recovery days off kept on Sunday, recovery off on holidays, I marked it as yes, and third setting reduce tenure by number of recovery days, that is no. It means if your installment is created for 100 days and if there are like 14 or 15 Sundays falling in between, so your tenure will be reduced by those many days. So I kept it no, it means tenure will not be impacted because of that. The only impact is number of days will be extended further. Okay, and if you set this to yes, it means the tenure will be reduced. Okay, so let's see the demo. I search customer here, click loan, and then select a product scheme. The product configuration is 2% monthly ROI, flat interest with 100 days tenure. The amount is 10,000. I click calculate. It will tell that 107 installment for 100 days. I click save. Loan 37 is created. I search the loan and I refer installment tracker. I can see that the installment is not created on Sunday, that is on 9th. Also, installment is not created on holiday, that is 20th May. So all Sundays skipped, and that's how, if you see the installment, 100 installments are created, but the end date of this loan is extended by 16 days. That is 15 holidays, 15 Sundays and one holiday. Now let me change the setting of reduce tenure to yes. And I create another loan. Select the scheme, enter amount, and click calculate. Here you can see the installment amount is increased because the tenure is reduced. And in fact, if the tenure is reduced, the interest is also reduced. I click save. Loan 38. I search the loan and see the installment tracker. Now in this installment also Sundays are skipped and also holidays are skipped, but whereas the number of installments or the tenure is reduced so that this 13th August is not changed. Okay, So why this is coming to 13th August? Because if we add 100 days in the installment start date, it's going to be 13 August. So that is the end date of the loan. Okay. In case you do not follow any recovery days off or no holidays, I mean your recovery will be 365 days a year, then in that case you can skip those settings and the system will work as usual. For example, I can quickly go here in setting and delete this setting, this one also, and this one. So my system will work as default with a default setting, and then I click loan again and select the scheme, enter same amount, click calculate, and then click save. Loan 39 is created. Now if you see the installment tracker here, it started from here, but Sundays and holidays are included, and if you see the end date, it is going to be 13th or 14th, whatever calculated by system. Okay, so this is how the recovery days of scenario is managed in Genome software. This feature is very useful if you follow e-mandate or digital collection, and you have a control where when to schedule or skip the bank holidays or the weekends actually using this configuration. Thank you for watching Jainam software. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel and also please share this video with your colleagues. Thank you so much.